We'll see. I want to have a track coach. Okay, I want to create a class called track coach. How can I do that? Instead of a baseball coach, I want to use track coach. Okay, track coach. Track coach. Now it is showing in the red mark. Uh, you can hover on that red mark. You will be getting the message from the Eclipse. So there is no class called track coach. So click on this link, create class track coach. Eclipse will be creating a class track coach for me. Okay, now um, the interface. Okay, this is the interface that is implementing. Okay, I can select this interface. Implemented interface. You can just uh, click on add. Okay, and you can type coach. Select this interface and just click on finish. So now track coach class will be created and it will be implementing the coach interface. So track coach class is there and it is implementing coach interface. Now we can get rid of this auto generated line and we can keep the return statement as run f hard 5k. Okay, this is the message I wanted to display when I call this when I create an object for track coach and call the get daily workout method. It will be displaying run a hard 5k. Okay, so let's run this by control F11. By pressing control F11 we are getting run a hard 5k as output. Now you can see here it is still hard coded actually. It is still hard coded actually. So we are not using dependency injection concept effectively. It is still hard coded. That we will see in the next video.